Hi, today we are with the company Mari, and Alex, we have her here that she's explaining what the company is doing, and pretty amazing. They're actually very friendly for kids that are starting to learn. So can you explain this a little bit more?
Sure, yeah. We Mari is called Maple Advanced Robotics, and we developed this software called AARS, Autonomous Adaptive Robotic System, where we, instead of writing code, hundreds of lines of code, we developed this drag and drop platform where you use a flowchart to control the robots. And this is quite powerful as well and very easy to learn. You can control the camera, control the scanner, and use move command for the robot, and put if, else, and loop. Everything is supported to program a robot, and it's very suitable for kids.
Oh wow, this is pretty amazing. So this robot that was displaying here is for, you were telling us for wind turbines. Can you clarify this a little bit?
Sure, this is what you're looking at. So for wind turbine, it's usually over 100 meters long, and it has a CAD model, but the CAD once it's putting on the ground because of the gravity, it will bend, and the CAD model doesn't suitable for this case. So we developed this wind turbine repair system where we use a 3D scanner, basically a 3D camera, to scan the defect parts, and a point cloud or mesh will be created on our software, and the robot path will be automatically generated for this defect parts. And from there, once the robot have the path, the robot can move to do the defects, to repair the defects.
Thank you so much, Alex. This was very helpful. So this is for Mari, AI robotics, and all the integration. So just looking just as a kid, it's as easy as the future of robotics. It actually gets more friendly and friendly. So
yeah, thanks so much.
Thank you.